is the office of Mark's Auto. Where I'm still waiting. I came into the office to wait a little while because I am so hot. It's about 9,500 degrees outside, and it's just miserable. I did not plan on being here for this long, and hopefully the fix that I have asked for will be a quick, easy fix once he gets started on it, and hopefully it will work. I'm starting to lose my patience. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to maintain my calm, my happiness. But I'll get right back to it as soon as I can get out of here. Because I need to go somewhere where it's cooler. I drove the vehicle this morning at 6 o'clock because last night he said tonight when it cools off, drive it, and it won't have the problem. And so I drove it this morning while it was cool, and it still had the problem. Guess I should have been sitting in his office sooner, because now he's finally gotten it up on the rack. We'll see what goes on. I'll try to film it, but it's kind of hot out here in the sun. I do not know what's going on with my phone camera. It keeps trying to turn itself off as I'm taking video. Anyway, they're going to take the catalytic converter off so we can see if the catalytic converter is the problem. Hope that works. Boy, I sure hope this works. I need a fix. I need some good news. Well, getting a rare look at the underneath side of my van. There's the catalytic converter hanging from a thread. And it's off. Okay. He's now making some modifications to it. So I guess they're fitting it up in there, hoping that this is going to do the trick. I need to get out of the heat. Boy, that's a pretty van. Good thing I turned off the propane because they're welding now.
Well without it.
That wasn't very nice.
In there, it's still in one piece.
Yeah.
Which is odd, but I'm sure if it's broken up like that, that it's probably shrunk a bit from being overheated at some point.
Yeah.
Just because that's what happens. They'll get too hot. And then they'll...
So turn it over again so it's not supposed to make that noise. Thank you.
And it's all sideways on this end, which is no good for it.
Yeah. So that's probably the problem.
It's definitely going to make it a lot better.
Okay.
It's going to restrict your airflow there.
So, it's good news. Looks like the likelihood of it getting fixed is pretty high at this point. So, we can hope. It looks like it was waiting for inspection by the owner. And maybe, oh, he's doing a little more welding. Let's see. Kind of colorful under there. So hopefully it's going to be put on there real good. Poor Van, she got a big boo-boo. Sure hope she runs better today. A little better view of the welding going on. coming down. Hope that means it's about to be on the road again, headed towards cooler weather. Just about done. I am so happy to report that I am on the road again. I've gone about 40 miles from where I had the repair done, and it does appear that the catalytic converter was the problem, and so like I said, got the repair done, and happy to be on the road. I've got my cab air conditioning going and staying cool. I was so hot back there. And headed towards the coast, hoping to make it all the way to Florence this evening. It is quite a drive though, so Janet and I are just going to go as far as we can and hope we make it. Carrie was going there today, and as far as I know, she's already made it. And so hopefully we will be reunited with her this evening or tomorrow at the latest. Van is running fine. I'm able to hold my speed now. So far the check engine light has not come on. So hopefully I am all good to go and won't have any more problems for a while. A long while. I have, out a little bit too much money with this go round, so it needs to stay in good shape for a little while. So hopefully it will do that.